morning. It's Saturday, January 4th, 2025. We got some snow overnight, and it's been pretty cold here, so we are hoping that the slopes near us have been making some snow, and they have. So we're on our way to Hidden Valley out in Laurel Highlands area close to us that we like to go to. Mountainous, it's pretty.
A little bit of elevation for Pennsylvania, so you get a little bit of snow. Bo's not coming with us, we're dropping him off. He's gonna have a fun day with his friends. Ghost and maybe some other dogs.
Ghost and maybe
another dog.
We have a dog sitter through Rover who we absolutely adore. She's wonderful. And Bo's gonna get some playtime in with other dogs, so it's a win-win for both.
Yeah.
So we're on our way to drop him off, and then we're gonna head out to Hidden Valley. It's about an hour and a half away.
So we'll see you guys
We're
there.
excited. First ski snowboard sesh of the season. So come on with us. Okay, time to drop Bobo off.
Time to drop off the boy. Have fun, dude. Be good.
Walk over here.
Good morning.
Bo's back. Oh my god.
Crazy. She's crazy.
Some grub. Brendan made breakfast sandwiches for us to take on the road with us. Tell us what's in it.
We got some Canadian bacon, eggs, a little bit of mayonnaise, a little bit of hot sauce, and a little bit of everything bagel seasoning. Sourdough. Tastes pretty good.
Really?
I didn't wait for the camera to start. I just started eating because I'm hungry.
The usual around here. What's your beverage?
I got a coffee. That's made a little pour over coffee this morning.
Yummy.
My usual.
Some beans from Commonplace Coffee.
Yeah, our favorite. You got some good stuff.
I have a matcha latte. Ready to fuel up. Let's go. To Hidden Valley. We are gonna park at the Avalanche Lodge here. The Avalanche Lodge is a parking lot that you can be at and hop right on the lift. So here's the parking lot lift we're coming up to. We're hoping to be able to park here, be able to stop back here for lunch, cook some food at our car with our jet boil and our camp stove. Little lodge here. It's super low key, local vibes, and opened at 9. We're here. It's about 9:15. We're ready to go. Perfect. Right next to the soup.
Just did our first run. The snow is so fresh. It's just like we're like packing it down when we go over it.
Pretty powdery, but no ice really right now.
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful.
Yeah.
So gorgeous.
Not busy. You can easily get on and off the lifts. So far, 10 out of 10.
I think we're gonna give Sarah the camera, first person view.
Feels so good to be out here. It's beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yeah. There's Brendan. Let's see what he had to say about the hill. Thoughts?
That was fun. I almost wiped out. Did you see me recover?
You almost wiped out.
That's crazy.
What happened?
I did a 360.
No way!
I stayed up.
Oh wow, impressive.
Proud of myself. Great, it is 12:30 right now. We did some pretty good runs. Great time, but we are hungry, so it is time for lunch. Sarah's sitting with the Coleman right now.
Punch it up.
We're gonna cook some mac and cheese, maybe put some chicken in it, maybe some ramen, we'll see.
Some hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Yummy. Lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Chilling outside of our car here. Brought some of our camping stuff with us. We got our backpacking chairs set up here. Shout out Jack, Brendan's dad, for the Christmas gift. Awesome. Can't wait. We're starting to heat up some water here. We got our Coleman stove. Just chilling on a box there, and then gonna make some mac and cheese, some chicken mac and cheese, get some protein, and then we are going to be making some hot chocolate out of our little off-brand jet boil we got here. Are you hungry, Brendan? Brendan's always hungry, so yeah, we love food time. Boiling up some milk here. It's gonna heat up pretty quick. Hot chocolate. Shout out Mary McGinley for these hot cocoa spoons. Secret Santa gift this year, so can't wait to use them. Yummy!
Sarah has selected Trader Joe's organic shells with cheddar mac and cheese.
Baby, it's boiling!
It feels so good.
Oh.
Oh boy, goofed the whole thing up. Oh my god, that's so good. Check this out.
Oh, this must be hot.
Ooh, almost just spilled it
You
everywhere.
did spill it.
I did a little bit. Sorry.
I made a little peppermint hot chocolate. Oh, it's so good.
Oh, I should have put the butter in first before it's cold. Some butter. Olive oil butter. Got a little bit of milk.
We're gonna mix up some chicken and put it in the mac.
Give a lot of protein.
Add some more protein in there. We love to prioritize our protein.
Started cold.
I believe it. Shout out Tara and Andrew. They got us these
Titanium.
backpacking dish sets. Awesome. First time using them. With the wind chill here, it's probably in the high teens.
We're gonna enjoy our makeshift mac and cheese meal.
Yeah, it's cold.
And try to stay warm. Alright, well, we finished. It's pretty bland. Didn't really have a lot of flavor in it. But it did the trick.
To me, it felt like I was eating, you know, in the summer when you have tuna salad. That's how it tasted. It was cold the second Brendan took it out of the pot.
Literally, as soon as I finished making it was cold. That's what you're gonna get.
But it worked, you know.
Like the hot chocolate stole the show.
Hot chocolate, definitely.
It's really good.
Delicious. And it's still warm. Still warm in our Yeti. Alright, we are leaving Hidden Valley, first day of the season on the slopes. I'd say it was a pretty good day. How about you, Brendan?
Yeah, it was fun. Nice powder. Just get back in the swing of things. We didn't go too much last year, probably went 5 or 6 days. I felt like we got back into it pretty quick though.
Yeah, definitely.
Didn't take us super long, but
Definitely.
a lot of fun. Went for several hours. Did a bunch of runs. A bunch of different trails. But
Yeah, we got up early, as you guys know. It definitely was the move. Getting up early, there were no crowds in the morning. Great conditions. You could easily hop on and off the lifts. But yeah, pretty good conditions today. Hope to be doing more of that this winter season, and maybe some camping with skiing too. Definitely lunch was a cool vibe. That was fun. We got some people that spoke to us about that.
there's a new generation cross track next to us. So we talked to the owner a little bit. Shared some Subi
game. Yeah. Yes, we were out there probably for about 6 hours. But now we're going to pick up our Bobo. I guess he's been having a fun time in the snow and playing with his buddies. So yeah, we're gonna go pick up Bo, and I'm sure he'll be super excited and very lovey.
Yeah.
We're here to pick up Bo. Brendan's gonna go get him. How's he gonna be, guys? Was he a bad boy? Was he a bad boy? Let's see him. Here he goes. Oh God, he's crazy. Oh God, he's crazy. Pulling poor Brittany. Oh my goodness. Bobo. Bye, Bo. Hi, buddy.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
There he is.
Hi, Bo. You have a good time? Bobo.
Bobo. Ah.
Yay, Bobo.
Welcome home, buddy.
Good night, Bobo. Looks like he had a fun day. Literally within seconds, he crashed and went to bed. Sweet dreams.
Alright, so that wraps up our first day on the slopes for the year, Hidden Valley. As you can see, Bo definitely had a fun day. He's passed out.
That was a great day, great day. out in nature with some cold weather. Felt great. Happy to be home now, relaxing, gonna get a good night's sleep, and it was an awesome day. Thanks guys for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.